Yeah.
Hi guys, it's Alex Michael May. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that little bell so you never miss a video. And thank you so much for being here. It means the world. Love having all my BFFs to chat about everything with. And if you are returning to my channel, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm doing another highly requested video. It's part of my Gimme or Gimmick series where we talk about things that are trending and products that are popping up everywhere. And is it a gimme? Do you need it? Or is it a gimmick? And you can skip it. Today I am reviewing magnetic eyelashes. So these are Eylure brand. They're the Luxe magnetic. They said that they're reusable up to 15 wears. They are $15. It's $1 per wear. I love breaking down that cost per wear. It seems a little pricey, I think, and I think you could probably get more than 15 wears out of it, but I don't know. I know nothing about it, so we will see. These say that they're easy to apply. They include an applicator and no glue needed. These are mink effect lashes. It says click them on, flick them off, quick, easy, and simple to apply and remove. So I've been wanting to try these. There's been so many on the internet, but this particular pair looked feathery and luxe enough for me, so I thought I'd try it. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna open these. They do say that they recommend a slick of your false eyelash blender or mascara prior to application of your natural lashes. Okay, so I'm actually gonna add mascara because they just told me to, so give me a second. So I have my mascara on. Now they are supposed to blend better. I can't get it out. Guys, why do I always struggle so much? Comes in this pretty little compact with the both sides. So I think it kind of just encases your lashes with both layers of that. And then it said it came with an applicator, and that's just this little plastic guy right here. Taking the top section of the magnetic lash, lay it on top of your natural lashes at the outer edge of your eye. So as you can see, they're labeled upper and lower, and you just take the upper. Oh, wow, okay. So they're not glued on here. They are in fact magnetic. As advertised. So this is gonna be the top section on my eye. I'm gonna lay it down just like I would a lash that I'm gonna glue on. I'm gonna lay it down along my natural lash line where I want it to be. Okay, so it's just sitting there. And then I'm supposed to use the applicator. I'm nervous. What if it like snaps my eye and hurts? I'm scared. I don't understand. Oh God, what's going on? Oh. I lost it. I don't know why I was afraid it would like snap shut and hurt my eye because I'm so dramatic. So I've got the applicator ready to go. I'm gonna lay this back down along my lash line where I want it to stay. It's like, how do you get this to stay? I don't understand. Why? Guys, this is not as easy as they make it sound. Like, I thought this was just like on and a snap and I'm ready to go. No. Hold on, let's see if we can even get them to stick together when they're not on my eye. Here we go. Okay. So it confirms that they do indeed stick together. I think I was doing it the wrong way. I think that I was aligning the wrong side and the wrong side. So we're gonna try again. Oh, help me! Okay, so the outer clicked and it looks good actually, I think. I just blinked and it clicked itself. We're getting closer. This part looks good, I think, right? Oh, it's still not that close. I feel like it would be pretty if I could get it dang up to my eye, but I almost feel like I want to label this as a gimmick because I would have had my glue-ons on already, like easy. Like this is taking way too long. The whole point of this is that it's supposed to be easy, quick. It says quick, easy, and simple to apply and remove. I do not think this is quick, easy, or simple to apply. I am going to give it one last attempt. So here we go. We're gonna lay it right here. So we're gonna start up here and do that. Got that. Gotta make sure that these don't touch each other until I'm ready. Okay. Do you see? It's like rippling up in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can pull it off, like pull it, like straighten it out, you know? Because if I can pull this along, this could be the time. No. I look like what is that like? I look like Miss Piggy or something. Okay, well, I give up. Guys, this is a gimmick. I think this is a gimmick. I do not think that the normal average want to get out of your house quick, like time-saving lady is going to be able to do these, because I just spent, how long did we spend on this? At least 30 minutes. Like, I can't. This is hard. I normally, you guys, apply individuals every day, okay? If I have the time and patience and skill to do that and I can't do this, this is a gimmick. I think it's a gimmick. Okay, guys, so me and my one wonky lash, thank you for watching. I have labeled magnetic lashes as a gimmick. If you disagree with me, comment below. If you agree with me, comment below and let me know what you guys want to see me try next on Gimme or Gimmick. My socials are tagged below. I tag the product below if for some ungodly reason you want to try it. Have fun with that. Head over to my Instagram. I'm always talking to people there. Slide up in my DMs. I'm always asking what videos you guys want to see next, so I'd love to meet you over there as well. And again, please subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a video, and thank you for watching. Ugh.
Yeah.